Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell with Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today, I am so excited to kick off our book series. Now, this isn't just a book review series. This is actually, I've chosen 5 books that I've read over the years that have absolutely changed my life. And I just would love to share these books with you in hopes that they might be able to do the same thing for you. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, these 5 books are in no particular order, okay? They have all affected my life in some great way. Now, let's go ahead and start off with the book, The Servant. Now, The Servant, the full title is The Servant, A Simple Story About the True Essence of Leadership. And it's by James C. Hunter. This story is awesome. Number 1, it is a shorter book, so it's much easier to read. Number 2, it is kind of like a self-helpy type book, but it's in a great story form. So it's an easy read at that. And the way this book was presented is kind of in a unassuming way, which allows you to not go in with any preconceived notions or any walls up. So you kind of just take in the whole story, and therefore you take in all the morals that the story has to provide to you. And as a person who, I'm not perfect by any means, and I want to be the best broker I can be for my agents. I want to be the best father to my daughter that I can be. I want to be the best friend to everybody I know. You know, I take my roles very seriously. And this book got me so good because it had to do with love. And I don't want to give this book away because you need to read it, but it's love in a way you wouldn't normally hear it or use it. You hear the term servant leadership used a lot, but I think, and I agree with this book, that it gets misconstrued. To be a good servant leader doesn't mean you get stomped on or walked over or you get used and abused. There is a great way to be a servant leader, and it has to do with actually loving. I guess that's all I'm going to say about this book. I highly recommend it. Again, it's called The Servant. It's a simple story about the true essence of leadership by James C. Hunter. If you've read it, please share your testimony down below. If you haven't read it yet, let us know when you do. Have an awesome day.